Okay, so hello everyone. So today we will continue our portfolio website and we will create all the remaining things like we have to add images here and all the images which are remaining, and also we have to add links of so that this icon should work when we click on it like this. So first go to your dev portfolio manage.pantheonsite.io to your portfolio website and slash WP admin to log in into your admin panel of WordPress like this, or you can directly go to your Pantheon account. Just search for your Pantheon, open your Pantheon and log in with your Google ID, sign in with Google, and then here you will find uh, close all of this, and here you will find sites, portfolio website, open it, and here you will get the visit development site and site admin. Like when you will log into your Pantheon site, after click on the site section. We will so to log in into your admin panel, just click on the site admin and enter your username and password. So I have come into my portfolio admin panel. Here I will click on pages and navigate to your current page with edit with Elementor. Okay, so I'll also open a new tab for seeing all of the changes which I'm making in this editor. So this is my website, and here in this tab I will edit to this website. Like I have to add an image here and all of the links. So here is my Twitter. So I will in a new tab I will open my Twitter account and navigate to my profile at this here. And after that I will copy this URL link with Control plus C and come to your editor, and after that you will find the option here that is link for adding your social media links. Now with the help of shortcut key Control V, paste your link of Twitter and update. So whenever you will click on then refresh your portfolio website. Whenever you will click on the Twitter icon, you will with taking it directly to your Twitter account, and we will change. Like here is a setting option for additional settings. Here is the option for open in a new tab. So if someone who wants to open the link in a new tab, so we will click on this open in a new tab and update your site. After that, we will refresh our portfolio website and see the changes. Whenever I click on my Twitter icon, it is redirected me to my account, but in a new tab. Like this, we have to add all of the links like LinkedIn, GitHub, and Instagram, and here also Facebook, Twitter. So I think you have already understood how to add links and how can we change the settings to open the link in a new tab. Like this, make all the changes, and now what we'll do, we'll come to our Pantheon and we will again click on our site admin for adding a new plugin. So we will come to our plugin section here, and so I think you have understood that how we can add a links to our icons. Okay, so add all of the links, and after that we will also have to add a link of CV and our resume. So do it, do these things. And okay guys, so now we will add all of the links of the all the remaining icons. Like here is the LinkedIn icon. I will log into my LinkedIn first. LinkedIn, and now need icon to your profile page. Here, view profile, and just you have to copy the URL above that linkedin.com in Janik button. Just copy this text with the shortcode key Control plus C and paste it in your icons. Like here, Control V, like this, and update it. After that, there is a GitHub. So here I have a GitHub account. If you don't have, then you can add another icon here. So I will add my GitHub account. Like this, you have to add all of the links, profile links of your social media icons. Okay. Okay. So this is the GitHub website. I will sign in to my with my email address. So I have logged into my GitHub account. Like here, I will copy my GitHub profile and go to your WordPress and just paste it to that icon. Here is my Instagram. So like this, I also copy the URL of Instagram. So copy and paste here. So update, click on the update and your website will be updated. Now, when you refresh this page, you can see this is the link here at the left side bottom. You will find the links if you take your mouse to these icons.